In today's Cryptolinkup, we highlight Ethereum's latest upgrade, sparking both innovation and scams. Binance's CZ proposes a stealthy new DEX model, and Circle gears up for a multi-billion-dollar IPO. We also track another exchange breach, Bitcoin treasury moves from Metaplanet, and Meta's firm rejection of Bitcoin investment. Let's get into today's top stories. Ethereum's Pectra upgrade introduced EIP 7702, letting wallets act like smart contracts, boosting flexibility, but also inviting wallet-draining attacks. Wintermute flagged that over 97% of EIP 7702 delegations went to fraudulent contracts. They responded with Crime Enjoyer, a system that injects alerts into verified scam contracts, warning users. One user lost $146,550 through a malicious batch transaction. While the upgrade expands Ethereum's tools, it also highlights growing risks and the need for better wallet security. Moving to an exchange breach, raising eyebrows. Taiwan's BitoPro exchange lost $11.5 million on May 8th through a hot wallet breach across multiple networks. ZachXBT spotted the exploit, noting funds moved via Tornado Cash, Thorchain, and Wasabi. BitoPro admitted the breach only after the report surfaced, claiming it happened during a wallet upgrade and that user funds were safe. Still, the delay and laundering methods echo tactics used in larger attacks like Bybit's $1.4 billion loss. The event adds to rising concerns over DeFi security. Now to Circle's big IPO ambition. Circle is aiming for a $7.2 billion valuation in its upcoming IPO, raising $896 million by offering 32 million shares at $27 to $28 each. That's up from earlier plans and reflects surging demand. Circle, issuer of USDC, previously scrapped a $9 billion SPAC deal in 2022. Q1 Treasury returns hit $557.9 million, up 55.1%. Analysts project stablecoin markets to grow 10x by 2022. Circle plans to list under the ticker CRCL with strong backing from BlackRock and others. We were at Bitcoin 2025 last week. As you may have noticed, we didn't post the daily news. So make sure to subscribe to not miss out on upcoming content from the conference. And while you're at it, hit the like button. Continuing on with CZ stirring the DeFi pot. Binance co-founder CZ has floated the idea of a decentralized Dark Pool DEX for perpetual swaps, designed to prevent front-running and MEV attacks. The concept would hide large orders until execution using ZK proofs or delayed settlement. Challenging, but potentially powerful. His pitch follows Hyperliquid's $100 million Bitcoin liquidation, which some say was orchestrated. Privacy risks and compliance issues remain, but CZ insists such tools are critical for fair on-chain derivatives trading. Meanwhile, major Bitcoin holders are bulking up their reserves. Metaplanet has boosted its BTC reserves to 8,888 after buying 1,088 more, worth $930 million total. The firm used $50 million in zero interest bonds to fund the move, aiming for 10,000 BTC by year end. Since adopting Bitcoin in April 2024, Metaplanet has become Asia's top public holder. Meanwhile, Strategy added another 705 Bitcoin, bringing its total to just under 581,000. With Bitcoin hovering near 105K, corporate buying momentum is growing, bolstered by GameStop, PSG, and Trump media. And finally, not everyone's sold on Bitcoin just yet. Meta shareholders voted overwhelmingly against a Bitcoin treasury proposal with only 0.08% in favor. The plan, led by Bitcoin advocate Ethan Peck, argued Bitcoin could hedge inflation and offset Meta's $72 billion in cash. CEO Mark Zuckerberg, who controls 61% of voting power, likely voted no. Other tech giants like Microsoft also rejected similar proposals, while Amazon's decision is pending. Still, companies like GameStop and Swedish health tech firm H100 have recently added Bitcoin to their balance sheets. And that's our daily link up. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll catch you in the next one.